Look around you. You feel it, don't you? That subtle, gnawing fear. Your job feels less secure. Your money buys less. This isn't just inflation. This isn't just a recession. This is the AI wealth gap, and it is silently dividing the world in 2026, right now. They told you AI was coming for your job. They were wrong. AI isn't coming for your job. It is coming for your wealth. It is creating an abyss between those who use it to multiply their money and those who only use it for filters. Are you on the right side of that divide, or are you about to be left in the dust? This isn't fear-mongering. This is financial reality. Pay attention. What is the AI wealth gap? It is the exponential difference in wealth accumulation fueled by artificial intelligence. In 2026, AI isn't just a tool, it is a wealth multiplier. AI can manage investments, automate businesses, and generate content for pennies while you were still clocking in hours. Old money was built on factories and land. New money was built on the internet. Ultimate money is being built on AI. The traditional paths to wealth are slowing down. Hard work is still important, but AI-powered work is now mandatory. Your boss is likely already using AI to optimize their business. Your competitors are using AI to outbid you, outmarket you, and outproduce you. And you? Are you just watching? In 2026, humanity has split into two financial factions. Faction 1 is the AI consumers. They use AI for fun. They use it to write basic emails or get movie recommendations. They consume and they pay. They do not generate wealth with it. Their income stagnates, their purchasing power drops, they fall further behind. Faction 2 is the AI wealth builders. These are the Financial Raccoons. We use AI to automate income streams. We use it to analyze markets and create hyper-targeted marketing. We build businesses that run 24/7 with minimal human intervention. We generate, we multiply, we accumulate. This is why your income feels frozen while your expenses skyrocket. Inflation is just one piece of the puzzle. The bigger piece is productivity. If you are not 10 times more productive than you were 5 years ago, you are falling behind. AI gives you that 10 times boost, or it gives it to your competitor. If your work can be done by a prompt, it will be. And if your income relies on work that can be prompted, your income is in danger. So how do you cross the gap? You don't fight AI, you leverage it. You need AI-proof skills. You need skills that AI cannot replicate yet. First is critical thinking. AI gives you data, but you find the why. Second is problem solving. AI gives you answers, but you identify the right questions. Third is creativity. AI generates content, but you provide the vision and the unique spark. Fourth is emotional intelligence. AI processes logic, but you connect with humans and lead them. Fifth is prompt engineering. This is the new code and the new superpower. Learning to speak the language of AI is key to making it do exactly what you need. Let's talk about the exciting part, AI-powered passive income. This isn't theory, this is happening now. AI can write scripts, generate images, and help with video editing for content creation. AI can run your e-commerce store while you sleep. AI bots can identify patterns and execute stock trades faster than any human. AI crafts hyper-targeted ads to reach your ideal customer for pennies. The game has changed. The barrier to entry for business is lower than ever. The barrier to wealth is higher if you ignore AI. Time is your most valuable asset. Before AI, building wealth took years of grinding. Now, with AI, you can condense years into months. Think about the time AI saves you on research and administrative tasks. That saved time can be reinvested into building more assets. The AI wealth gap isn't just about money, it is about time freedom. It is about the ultimate luxury. This isn't some distant future. This is 2026. The window of opportunity to position yourself on the right side of this gap is closing fast. Early adopters are already reaping the rewards. Late adopters are struggling to catch up. Those who ignore it will become financial footnotes. The market doesn't care about your feelings. It cares about efficiency and leverage. AI is the ultimate leverage. So, what is your move? How do you cross the AI wealth gap? First, educate yourself. Learn the basics of prompt engineering and find tools that can automate your life. Second, experiment relentlessly. Don't just read about AI, use it daily. Third, build AI-leveraged assets. Start a channel, an e-commerce store, or a service business where AI handles 80% of the work. The future of work isn't about working harder, it is about working smarter with AI. Don't be the person still manually digging while others use AI-powered excavators. The AI wealth gap is real, and it is widening, but you have the power to jump across it. Use this technology, don't be used by it. The future is already here. This is just the beginning. I will show you exactly how to build and multiply your wealth using AI. Don't get left behind. Subscribe to the Financial Raccoon's Nest now. Hit that bell icon. Tell me in the comments what one AI tool you're going to learn this week. Your financial future depends on it.